on whether these are suitable ways to collect data. Sherry, put on a mask properly. Okay, to find out our schoolmates' favorite color, we ask 3 schoolmates. Answer? No, not a good way. So what's a better way to collect the data? Oh, ask whole school. Yes, Chuck? Ask more students in school. Okay, yes, Ashari? Make a survey for the whole school. Yes, okay. Patricia? Okay, next. To find out which is the most popular, we also. Okay, so no, it is also not. Okay, so ask, or you can say survey. Oh, neighborhood. Okay, next one. Okay, how about this? Is this a good way? Reasonable? Reasonable? Yeah, it is. Okay. Next. Okay, what do you think? So, yeah. Okay. Why not? Yes, Fari, why not? Okay, the rest, keep quiet first. Yes, Fari. Don't force them. Did they force? Where's the forcing? Yeah, invite so they have a choice. It's not a force, okay? So yes, this is all right. All right, now question 2. Complete the frequency table for the test score. So we have this portion tally again. So let's start with test score number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. And test number 8. Score with 8, sorry. So we got 1 so far, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2 for 9. Okay, so after you're done, look at the screen. This is how you check for mistakes. You check that you have cancelled away every number. Once you cancelled away every number, it means you accounted for that. You didn't miss anything out. Then if you have time after you finish all your questions, add all these numbers together. So I got 9 plus 4, that's 13, 14, 15. I got 15 all together. And it tallies. So yeah, I didn't miss anything out. So how many obtained a score of 8? Only 4. What fraction obtained a score of 6? So 6, we've got 5 students out of, yeah, so 5 over 15 gives us 1 over 3. So what percentage obtained a score of more than 7? Okay, wait. They didn't ask for percentage of students who obtained 7. What did they want? They don't want 7, they want more than 7. So what are numbers that are more than 7? 8 and 9, right? So they're only interested in students who scored 8 and 9. So how many of such students are there? Yeah, 4 plus 2, we've got 6 of them. Out of how many? 15 again. So 6 out of 15. Okay, so the percentage will be 6 over 15. Now this is just a fraction only. They want a percentage. So you still need to multiply this by 100%. And what will the answer be? 0.4. 40%. Can? Okay, the reason why you had 0.4 was because you didn't multiply by 100%. You only press 6 over 15. So that gives us 0.4. So just as a quick reminder, not related to this, separate question, 0.4. How do we write this in a fraction, 0.4? What is 0.4 in a fraction? Correct, 4 out of 10. How do I write 4 out of 10 as a fraction? How do I write 4 out of 10 as a fraction? Just, sorry, yeah, what am I saying? How do I write 4 out of 10 as a percentage? As a percentage, times 100%, yeah. So that gives us 40%. Okay, same. In fact, your 0.4, you can also multiply by 100% to give us 40%. They are all the same. It's just that the question requested for you to put it in terms of percentage. Okay, next. Complete the frequency table again. Okay, T, 1, 2, 3, 4. Any more? Okay, so I got 4. Milk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 and 6. Then juice, 1, 2, 3. And coffee, 1, 2. Okay, so what do you notice? What about tea? What about tea? Tea got 5. Oh, then now I look at all my cancellation. Did I miss anything out? Now very easy to see, right? So I didn't cancel it. So it's easy for me to check. Can you imagine? You count, but you didn't cancel. Can you imagine if this happens? Then after you finish everything, you're happy. Then you look, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 in total. And then you count over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 2, 16. Something missing, right? Then how? Are you going to count everything again? Don't make sense. That's why you should have canceled as you were counting. So you realize that key is the one that I missed out. So another one, 5. Now we get 16. Which one was the most popular? Milk. What fraction? So it will T. So the fraction with 5 out of 16 altogether. Percentage, coffee. So 2 out of 16. And what do you get? 1 over. Okay, 12.5%. Check that you wrote the percent symbol here. Did you do that? Okay, very good. If you didn't, then is it correct? If you didn't, then it's wrong. Let me demonstrate. Please do not copy the next line because it is wrong. 2 over 16 times 100. If I multiply by 100, I will get 12.5. Correct? Without a percentage, no percent over here, no percent over here. Then you're not answering the question because they wanted it in percentage. So if you say, okay, how about I just put the percent at the end? This is still wrong. The red color line is still wrong because the left-hand side gives us 12.5, whereas the right-hand side is 12.5 over 100. They are not the same. Not the same. Okay, this 12.5 over 100 is actually 0.125. Not the same. Okay, question 4 was not your homework. Okay, so this is where we will continue from your textbook. Okay, now, textbook, turn to page 43. 43. We'll go through question 5. Textbook, page 43. 3. So those standing can return to your seats. Textbook, page 43. That's it, you can return to your seats. Now, we've got a different type of question now. You don't have to do counting anymore. They have already summarized everything for you. Now we have shoe size, all the different shoe sizes, 3.5, 4, 4.5, blah, 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 and the number of students with these shoe sizes. So part A, determine if the statements are true or false. So data was collected from 40 students. Is it true or false? How do you know? Count. What did you count? What did you add? How do we decide whether there were 40 students surveyed or not? Count everything. What do you mean by count everything? Count the secondary 1 students. So you take 3 plus 7, 11, 4, and 15. Okay, let's check. Total equals to 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 4 plus 15. Jin Xian, what are you looking at? Try and focus, huh? So 3 plus 7 is 10, 21. 21 plus 4 is 25 plus 15. What's the total? 40. You get 40. Why? What's wrong? So they did survey 40 students. So true. Part A is true. The part B, important. You have to understand what it means. The most common. The most common shoe size is 5. Is it true? Is 5 the most common? Oh yeah. Although there are 11 students with shoe size 5, 11 is a big number compared to the rest. But we have shoe size 6 with 15 students. So the most common, we have to understand the English behind it. The most common would refer to size number 6. So this is false. The most common is size 6. Okay, so next, shoe size 6 has a frequency of 15. So the word frequency refers to the total number of. So they are telling us shoe size 6, we have got a total number of students of 15. And that is true. The final one, 25%. If you're uncomfortable with percent, quickly change it to a fraction or a decimal. 25% refers to 25 over 100, which is 1/4. So they are telling us 1/4 of the students have shoe size less than 5. Less than 5. Referring to what size? Is 5 less than 5? Is 5 less than 5? Is 5 less than 5? No, right? 5 is not less than 5. So what is, yeah, exactly, they are equal. So what is the size that is less than 5 over here? 4.5, 4, and 3.5. Okay, these are the sizes that are less than 5. How many of such students are there? 4. How many students are there with sizes less than 5? 10. 10 of them. 3 plus 0 plus 7. There are 10 students with shoe size less than 5. 10 of them. 10 out of how many? 10 out of total 40. 10 over 40 is 1 over 4. So our data says that 1/4 of them have sizes less than 5. Does it tally the statement? Is that what the statement is saying? 25%. Yeah, it's the same. 25% is 1/4. So this is true. So less than 5 referring to 4.5, 4, and 3.5. Okay. That's for question 5, where we did not have to do any counting. So question 6 is very similar. Let's jump straight to our workbook now. Back to the workbook. Okay, now workbook question number 4. You see the table this time without us needing to count. Yeah, you don't have to do the tally. Yes. Okay, so part A. Fari, Indra, Fari, ready? Finish, ready? Okay, Indra, what's part A answer? Huh? Size 7. Oh yes, you're right. Size 7. Size 7 is most common. Wait. How many pairs were sold on a day? Total equals to 4 plus 11 plus 13 plus 5. Let me count. 15, 20, 33. 33 pairs. Okay, let's take a look at part C. What percentage sold were of shoe sizes greater than 6? Greater than 6. So which sizes are we interested in? 7 and 8. Okay. So let us cancel away the rest first. We're only interested in this. So what percentage of these sizes were sold? How many sold in total? How many pairs? 18 out of 33 pairs. Okay, good. So percentage equals to 18, but we got an 18 from 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5, 33. Okay, I shouldn't do it as a percentage sold. Okay. Is this a percentage? No, how? Then what is this called? This is called a fraction. So how do I change it to a percentage? Times 100%, yes. And now we get, oh, very fast, 54.5454, so on and so on, percentage. Yeah, one decimal place. So we, wait. Circle the 4. Don't need to draw arrow. Correct. 54.5%. Question 5, do yourself. Let's try now. Just try now. You must understand the question, okay? How many pets are there in the pet shop? Okay, listen up. Wait. Did they say how many types are there? Did they ask how many types of fish are there? Or pets are there? No, they didn't ask for the types. They asked how many pets are there? In total, yeah. So total 25. Marilyn, look at the screen. Okay, 60 pets. What fraction are hamsters? Right? Okay, what percentage not fish? Yes, 1/3. Percentage not fish. $15.35. Circle the second 3. Yes. Okay,